we live?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we're changing the combination switch on the Supra. As you can see, I pulled it off with this little ass gun and it worked. Pretty simple. Zoom out. They're always kind of stuck. So, there it is. Alright. Steering wheel off. Saving this for later. Don't lose that. Alright, then next thing, what we're gonna do is pull off the horn. Oh, let's see what that. I think it's these two screws right here. Slides right off. And you can cut that, I guess, if you want, but I'm not doing that. And next thing is 4 screws right here to pull this piece off. So we got 1 screw there, there, and there. And then down here, you just disconnect from this little T there. You just pop it down, those screws. It's like that, and then, go ahead and take that back. Last one comes off. Slides right off. Easy as that. Look at that junk. Okay. So I got the new one here. Pretty straightforward. Got this for pretty cheap on eBay too. Can't complain. Cool. And I'm not gonna run a horn. I don't plan to, so I'm not gonna worry about that. This piece just slides right on over. So yeah. Line it up. Throw your bolts back in. Super simple. Lock them down, start pattern. All right, everything's on there. All works. little junker out of there. And then cover the bottom piece. There we go. So this just comes on back and sits up in this corner. That tab goes up here. Just like that. And there's one on the opposite corner. Kind of weird to see. But we got that one and this one. Right there. Just like that. Push them on there. And that's it. That is up there. Push them on a little bit harder. Just like that. And then you got your plugs. Throw those in. And now you have a new column.